I gotta rush to work. Oh! Oh no! I need help!
I hear something?
Help!
Dump truck? How did you get in here?
Whatever, get me out of here, please.
Don't worry, I need to call for help. Team, emergency. I'm waiting for everyone.
Hello? Commander?
They'll be here soon.
The commander's calling. We have to go right away. Pulling out. Whoa! Great! That's it! You were so strong!
Keep up the good work.
Thank you very much, team. Now we need to fix the hole.
My turn.